Hello there guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be something really creepy. This imposter and this thing. Sorry if I called you a imposter. Yep, I think I've been playing too much Among Us lately and calling him an imposter. Hey, you imposter! But we're going to be doing a scenery of cities. I just made this man just because he looked such an imposter, and I made this when I first started SVG art. It is called Costume 1, Sprite 1, because that time I was at MIT. This art was made in 2007. SVG art. I created a program using in Python. By the way, I'm not a Python expert. I just my friend gave me this SVG making application, which just gave the ability to make applications, to make SVG logos, and he sure did. Then this was the first art I made. This even editable. I've made lots of art which I am using right now as a source tool for my YouTube channel. Let me just change this guy a little bit so he doesn't look like an imposter. Sorry about that. I just kids these days, but I think I play too much Among Us. I don't have a gaming channel for Among Us because I play on freaking mobile. Cause the Steam version is just too costly for me. I know it is $2, but since I live in UK, it is too costly for me. I know if you're a British person, it may be too costly, but I was not born in England, but stayed in here for freaking 2 years. I don't know why. Just make this and make his eyes a little bit bigger. So that should not look creepy, or instead should just remove his old lookings and maybe small his head down. I don't know, I just don't want you kids to have nightmares. Nightmares are just too scary. My brother is 36. 36, god damn it. He's my eldest and only brother. Okay, I don't want him to have a granny costume, so let me just make him wear red. Okay, and let's just say not imposter. Okay, not imposter. He is not the imposter. I'm telling you guys, he is not the imposter. Yep. Now what you have to do is to just ring green flag is click show forever. Go to X, mouse X divided by 17, blah blah blah. We're also making this background move. If we remove this, it will become a nightmare. And this works. Let me just make this merge quicker by 12 by 12. Yep, that's good. So let's do file new. And I will not make the guy anymore. He's just too creepy and too hard to make. Ugh. My arms are paining. It's like 3 o'clock. Just make something very quickly. I don't want this video to be too complicated. B00. Okay. Let's maybe do this. Copy paste this. Let's maybe change this a little bit. Okay, that should be enough for the character which is standing by. It's going to be an animation series which I'm going to maybe making, so which is going to just be a ball. Here is a ball. Here is a ball. It does not move. And his face should be only painted, or otherwise should it? Is it me or his face is looking kind of thick? Trust me, I don't have an editor. So, what the hell? You don't have an editor? Yeah. It's just too costly to hire. Oh, okay. He's going to be my funny ball. He's going to be included in every Parallax video. Enough of chit chat, let's just continue the art. He's just made with random colors. okay. So what you have to do is to, when green flag is clicked, forever go to, and then we should go to operators dash divided. Then we need to do mouse X here and mouse Y here. Then we need to do 12, and here we need to do 12. He's moving, so let's put in here this sprite. That's moving, yay! Let's increase the length of this guy. Let me just make it like this. And that's that. This is how to make a parallax effect. So hope you guys like the video. Hope you did smash the like button, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.